So over here in the calendar, you can see that I only have one calendar at the moment. That is my calendar. If I were to click on show all, then I can see birthdays right here, and there's United States holidays as well. So I can go around and only show the selected calendar just like this as well. But what I can also do is I can go around and add in more calendar over here. So to do that, I can click on add calendar. So once I do that, what happens is that I get a calendar, and you can add a holiday calendar over here as well, or add in a blank calendar right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say this is my personal calendar right here, and I keep the color of this calendar as red, just like this. And I'm going to go around and add this to my calendar over here and click on save. And then you can see that personal calendar has been added over here, just like this. So now once you do this, this is another calendar that you have right here. And whenever you create an event right here, you can add this event to that particular calendar. So for that, you can go to more option right here, just like this. And then over here, you can see that this is currently the calendar right here. So you can simply change it around into personal calendar. And now it gets saved into personal calendar right here. You can hit the save button and hit the save just like this, and you can see that this is in the personal calendar right here. Disable this and enable this right here just like this, and then the individual calendar events are saved just like that. And that is how you can add in multiple calendars inside of Microsoft Outlook. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.